not sunny day today. Maybe it will be rain. Today I have cleaned some dresses. I don't know how it will be dry. Outside it's just going to rain. I don't think today the sun will be visible because since morning like this the weather is so. I don't think that all these dresses will be dry or not. Guys, whenever this day comes in a year, I really miss my sister a lot. Today is Rakhi Purnima. There is no one to give me Rakhi. So this is the very special day for me. Till class 12, I used to wear Rakhi through my sister. But nowadays I live in Calcutta. From my village, it is almost 400 kilometers. So that's why it is not possible to go there in my village. So that's why today it's very much bad luck for me. I'm I'm not lucky that person for today to get Rakhi from my sister because they stay in my village. So yeah, really I miss my sister today a lot. Not. And today there is a birthday celebration, so I have to go there. I have invited from someone, so today I will go there. And yeah, I thought today I will wear this shirt, so that's why I have cleaned. And this t-shirt, and there is Sento Ganji. But my pant is actually cleared now. That is now in my room, so that is I did not clean actually. So I have cleaned only this dress and this t-shirt and this Sento Ganji. So yeah, I don't what will be happen, I don't know. And I have to go around 6 p.m. and now the time is 2 p.m. and there is no sun, so I don't know what is going to happen. And otherwise I have to wear another dress. I have so many dresses, but these dresses I like most. Whenever I go somewhere to anywhere, that time I try to wear this one. So guys, I don't know what is going to happen. Guys, do you like environment? Yesterday I made a video there. I told about environment. Actually, from where I am, I'm from very middle class family. I'm from very village family, village background. So that's why I just grew up in a village, and there is so many jungles. So that's why I like most the village and also the jungle. Environment, village environment I like most. In Calcutta, you can't be able to see so many trees, all these things. You can't be able to see. And jungle. Before when in Calcutta, when before at the time of maybe 1900 years. Okay, guys. So that time here was so many jungle, but nowadays here you will be able to see all the flat, big flat, all these things. So you can't be able to see here jungle, and also you can't be able to see here so many trees even. So this is the thing I miss a lot. In my village you will be able to get fresh air, fresh vegetable, everything will be fresh. But here I don't get. But where I stay, here you will be able to see so many trees. So sometime I try to show you this greenery. Behind me there is also so many trees. So I like this place, and from here I also tried. I get actually little fresh air. So this place I like most, and I have put here the dresses. Maybe it will be dry or not, I don't know. There is no sun so visible, so that's why I don't know what is going to happen. But today I have a program. I mean birthday celebration, so I have to go. Anyhow, I have to go there. So this is the thing. So keep watching all the video. And today, guys, I would like to take my safe beard. So I have to go to the salon, and I will not take haircut. Only I will take beard safe. So have to go, and so I have to ready and have to out. So keep watching all the video. I will talk to you in salon. Okay, guys. So keep watching all the video.